morning, students. Welcome to the second session of History and Civics. In the last session, we studied the geographical conditions and the course of history. We begin this session with the second part of the lesson, that is 1.2 Geographical Features of India. Geographical features are the naturally created features of the earth. India is endowed with the most diverse physical features ranging from the mightiest Himalayas to the low-lying coastal plains. At its north lies the Himalayas. To the east, the Bay of Bengal. To the west, the Arabian Sea. And to the south, the Indian Ocean. Except for Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep Islands, the rest of the country shares a common border that is contiguous. Also, before 1947, today's Pakistan and Bangladesh were also a part of India. When we look at the course of the Indian history, the following regions are important. The Himalayas, the plains of Sindhu, Ganga, Brahmaputra rivers, the Thar Desert, the Deccan Plateau, the coastal regions, and the islands in the sea. Let us study these regions one by one. The Himalayas. The Hindu Kush and the Himalayan ranges stand strongly on the northern side of the Indian subcontinent and separate it from the deserts of Central Asia. However, the land route through the Khyber Pass and Bolan Pass in the Hindu Kush mountains was connected to an ancient trade route. The trade route from China passed through Central Asia and reached Arabia. It is known as the Silk Route or Silk Road because silk was the main commodity exported to the Western countries using this route. Many foreign travelers also came to India by this route. The next, the plains of the Sindhu, Ganga, Brahmaputra. This region consists of the basins of three big rivers, Sindhu, Ganga, Brahmaputra and their tributaries. This region extends from Sindh, Punjab in the west to the present-day Bangladesh in the east. The Thar Desert. The Thar Desert is also known as the Great Indian Desert. The Thar Desert spreads across Rajasthan, Haryana and some parts of Gujarat. A part of the desert lies in today's Pakistan. The desert has the Satluj River to its north, the Aravalli mountain range to its east, the Run of Kutch to its south and the Indus River to its west. The Ghaggar River that originates in Himachal Pradesh reaches the Thar Desert. It is known as Hakra in Pakistan but has now dried up. Many sites of the Harappan civilization are situated along the now dry course of the river. The next, the Deccan Plateau. The region between the east and the west coast of India tapers off to the south. This region has the Arabian Sea to its west, the Indian Ocean to its south, and the Bay of Bengal to its east. A region thus bound by the sea on three sides is called a peninsula. The mountain ranges of the Vindhya and Satpura are located to the north of the Deccan Plateau. Sahyadri mountain ranges are to its west. They are also known as the Western Ghats. The mountains on the eastern side of the Deccan Plateau are known as Eastern Ghats. Deccan Plateau has fertile land where many post-Harappan agrarian cultures flourished. Deccan Plateau was a part of the Maurya Empire, the largest in ancient India. The next, the coastal regions. The narrow coastal strip between the edges of the peninsula plateau and the coastline from the Run of Kutch in the west to the Ganga-Brahmaputra delta in the east is called the coastal region. They meet at the tip of south in Kanyakumari. Due to the trade carried on by sea, India had developed contact with many foreign countries. The islands in the sea. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the Bay of Bengal. These islands are composed of 265 big and small islands covering an area of 8,249 kilometers. Lakshadweep Islands, located in the Arabian Sea, are basically coral islands. They are a group of 25 islands scattered about 500 kilometers southwest of Kerala coast. The location of these islands may have been important in ancient sea trade. The manuscript, The Periplus of the Erythraean Sea, makes a mention of Indian islands. Now, let us see the meanings of difficult words which we have come across this passage. Coral means a hard red, pink or white substance that forms in the sea from the bones of very small sea animals. Manuscript, a copy of a book, piece of music, etc. before it has been printed. Now, we will study the third part of this lesson, that is 1.3, the Indian subcontinent. The cities of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are in today's Pakistan. Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and India together form the region known as South Asia. Considering the expanse and significance of India in this region, it is also known as the Indian subcontinent. Students, you can do this. Show the following on the map: the Himalayan mountain, the Thar desert, east coast. So, this is the vast geographical outlay of our country, which has marked an effect on the lives of the people and have influenced the evolution of diverse culture in India. With this, we end our session here. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.